What's up, amazing people? Hope you have had a very good day and must be in good health. Well, right now I am here in Sharafia at this place called Sahafah, or maybe it's near it. So I'm going to Muhammadiyah, but the thing is that there's a lot of traffic on the road and people are honking the horns. Well, let us get out of this very tight situation. Well, here we are. So just enjoy the city drive here in Riyadh. It's after evening, and well, people are out and about. Look at this wide road. It's pretty wide actually. Look at that building on the left. They have some cool lighting going on. This right here is Yolaya Street, but I would like to go on to the King Fahad Road actually. Let's see if we can pass through this traffic light. Yes, we did. Now we'll have to go on to King Fahad Road. Let's come down in this lane. Also, the traffic light turned green. Let's see how much time it takes for us to reach over there. Seems like we are gonna pass this on the second turn. What's up there? Traffic isn't moving. Or is it? Yeah, it started. It just started. And then it again closed. I'll meet you on the other side of the traffic light. Now again we have the traffic moving. Let's see. Oh goodness, no. It again turned red. Okay, no worries. The traffic light is off. Let me show you the scenes. And also let me show you this building. Check this out. Let us put the camera back over there. Okay. Green light yet again, but is it our turn to pass through? Let's see. Yes, finally, after waiting for 3 turns on this traffic light, we are finally through. Let's go. Now we are on the King Fahad Road, the renowned King Fahad Road. Can we take the ramp down on the main King Fahad Road? Because sometimes they have it closed, but it seems like right now they do have it open. It's gonna be a slow and steady ride, but we are up for it. Do you face the same kind of traffic while you commute on the King Fahad Road, or no? Which car do we have in front? I think this is the Nissan X-Trail. On my right, exactly, we have the Romancia. They have a very good taste. But everything is like with rice, if you have a liking for that. The slow and steady traffic of Riyadh. Here we go. We have the King Abdullah financial district over there. I need to show you that. Let me adjust the camera. See there. Wow. Isn't that cool? Just check out the scenes. Now the frame is better.